Hola, buenos días. Today we're going to talk about a sound, la pronunciación. It's so importante because it helps you to understand. No es importante to hablar con un acento perfecto. You understand me. Pero es importante to comprender, to understand. And you don't do that unless you know what sounds the letters make in Español. So today we're going to talk about the letter V, which is how they say it in Español. V. It's a V in inglés, claro. Y I want to talk about the sound that makes, and it's very importante if you want to buy a bottle, una botella de vino. It sounds like this, doesn't it? A bottle of wine sounds like una botella de vino. Why? Well, la letra V makes a B sound in Español most of the time, right? Now, if this is so not sexy Spanish, but however, por favor, when it's between two vowels, like here, a, v, o, then it makes a V sound. Nobody says por favor, everyone says por favor, right? But normalmente, it makes a B sound. So what I'd like you to do today is to practicar saying some B words, Variación. There is un poco de variación regionally, pero generally, it sounds B. There's un poco de variación. Practice saying that. Conversación. Quiero una conversación contigo. I'd love to have una conversación contigo. And we can do that on Facebook. I love interacting. Otro ejemplo. Una vacación. Vacación. Holiday, vacation. Quiero una vacación en España. Or, otro ejemplo, if you don't eat meat, you don't eat carne, then like me maybe, you are vegetariana. So we say vegetarian, don't we? They say veje. It sounds so español. Vegetariana. Or if you're a man, un hombre, you might be vegetariano. Maybe, or no vegetariano, or no vegetariana. What I want you to practicar is making that B sound. It'll make it easier for you to understand, and it'll make it easier for you to be understood as well, which is importante. That is the purpose of lenguaje, the purpose of language. El lenguaje es para comunicar. That's the whole point of it. So, for comunicación, if you want to go and buy una botella de vino, go down to el mercado. Buenos días. Quiero una botella de vino. There are two types. Vino blanco, two types I'm going to talk about today. Perdón. Vino blanco y vino tinto. Tinto is ink rather than red, or it also means dye, like if you get your hair tinted. So, vino tinto. Prefiero vino tinto. Prefiero una Rioja, por ejemplo. The lady says, algo más. That's anything else. You say, no, nada más, gracias. ¿Cuánto es? How much is it? ¿Cuánto es? 8 euros, por favor. What I'd like you to practicar today is saying some of those words, and you can get the la lista from the comments in the bottom of the video. I'd also like you to practice saying the sentence, quiero una botella de vino tinto. All right? And I would like you to come back mañana, because tomorrow we're going to do my favourite word. It's such a beautiful word, and it'll tell you how to just give general directions by going over there. All right, so the Spanish word for over there is posiblemente my favourite word of all the words that I know. So I will see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Remember to practicar, and if you can, comunicar conmigo. Hasta mañana. Adiós.